They don't want you to know about this money-making hack. Did you know that you can make thousands or even millions of dollars for as little investment as $1 and zero risk? I know this sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Did you know you can purchase a domain name for as little as $1 and resell it for thousands? Even millions. There's a fairly obscure trade called domain flipping. It's basically cheap virtual real estate, but with insane potential. In this video, I'll show you how you can get started in minutes and almost $0. I will not sell you a $9.97 course at the end. I promise. Please like and subscribe if you find any value in this post. Anyway, let's get right into it. Imagine you had been the owner of one of these domains when these companies purchased them in 2023. These are just the top 100 of the thousands sold only in 2023. Here are a few all-time favorites of mine. Tesla.com. Purchased by Tesla Inc. Price, $11 million. Insurance.com. Purchased by QuinStreet. Price, $35.6 million. This purchase helped solidify QuinStreet's position in the online insurance market, making it one of the most valuable domains in the industry. VacationRentals.com. Purchased by HomeAway, now part of Vrbo. Price, $35 million. HomeAway's CEO Brian Sharples bought VacationRentals.com to prevent a competitor, Expedia, from acquiring it. There are a ton of domains that have been bought for millions. All of these are just a few of them. Feel free to pause and verify these figures. I won't even get into how many are bought for 6 or 5 figures every day. Most of them aren't even used. The companies merely buy them to prevent competitors from owning them. QuinStreet bought CarInsurance.com for $49 million. These purchases demonstrate the value that major companies place on premium domain names as strategic assets for enhancing their online presence and competitive positioning. Investing in the right domain name can provide significant branding and traffic advantages, making it a worthwhile expenditure for many businesses. So how can you start flipping domains today? In a few minutes. Firstly, you need to know where to buy or register them cheaply. You can buy domains through 1. Domain registrars. Websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Bluehost offer domain registration services. 2. Expired domains. Websites like expireddomains.net list domains that have expired and are available for purchase. These can often be insanely cheap compared to their market valuations. For example, these domains evaluated at over $1,000 are being sold for $50 and even $5. Before I tell you exactly where to sell your domains, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. So, where do you sell your domain names? Here are just a few places to sell your domains. 1. Domain marketplaces. Websites like Sado, Flipper, and Afternic are popular marketplaces for buying and selling domains. 2. Auction sites. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions and Namejet allow you to auction your domains to the highest bidder. 3. Direct outreach, sometimes reaching out directly to potential buyers, businesses or individuals who might be interested in your domain, can result in a quicker sale. Now, there are some things you must learn to be successful in this business. I only have time for 2 in this video, and I'll discuss more in upcoming videos. The first thing to know is how to get good marketable domain names. One of the many ways to do this is by observing emerging trends and using new buzzwords before they get viral. Imagine being the guy that sold Crypto.com or CarInsurance.com. Secondly, keep them short and sweet. ChatGPT can help you with ideas on cool-sounding ways to put together certain words or topics for a catchy name. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll respond to everyone. Now go make that paper.